Hey guys, Will here with the RV Wholesaler Service Department, and today I'm going to be going over how to properly use your manual stabilizer jacks on your RV here. So the way that this is designed is this is not to hold the weight of the trailer. It's not designed to change a tire, nothing like that. All this does is you run it to the ground, and what that's going to do is that's going to reduce the swing from you walking inside. When you walk inside, you have a couple people strolling through there. These things will have a tendency to move on you. So what you want to do is you want to get your unit parked in place. You want to go ahead and level it the best that you can. Either whether or not that's using chocks or parking your unit up on wood or whatever you have to do, get it as level as you can. And what you're going to do is you're just going to run these guys all the way to the ground. So right now you're going to see that we are snug. Couple more turns. Nothing more than that. So what that's going to do is that's going to reduce the swing. So you walking over top of this exact area, you're going to feel it stiffen up right away. So once you get all 4 of them down, you're not going to have as much swing, if any at all, from walking inside. This really helps with children and stuff like that. So like I said, just don't over torque them because they will bend and break. If you have any other questions, just give us a call at 877-877-4494.